Hello students and welcome back to bankexamstudy.com and welcome back to the session for the Bank of India Credit Analyst, right? So what we are going to discuss today, we are going to discuss the syllabus, right? Important point. So the syllabus of credit officer and credit analyst is quite different. So we did the course in 2020, in 2018 for Bank of India. The same recruitment, right? And the exam for the credit analyst held in 2020 as well. There is a difference between credit officer and credit analyst. That's what I'm going to discuss today. First of all, for the professional knowledge, the same syllabus for the for the credit officer, the government schemes. There are government schemes like Mudra loans, Kisan credit card, Atal Pension Yojana, all the schemes related to women empowerment, farmers, poverty alleviation, education, all that, the government schemes. RBI circulars for last 1 year. The regulatory bodies in India, Basics of Companies Act, Contract Act, SARFAESI, IBC Code, Negotiable Instruments Act, RBI, FEMA, FIDI. Basics of these laws. Static banking topics like mortgage, lien, letter of credit, types of loans, banking products, Basel norms, and then financial management. In the financial management, capital budgeting, cost of capital, capital structure, working capital management, CVP, कॉस्ट वॉल्यूम प्रॉफिट एनालिसिस जो ब्रेक इवन पॉइंट वाला टॉपिक होता है, कैलकुलेशन ऑफ ईएमआई एंड डिप्रिसिएशन. ये तो बेसिक क्रेडिट ऑफिसर वाला द सिलेबस है. देन फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट एनालिसिस इज देयर. यू शुड बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड द financial statements, the balance sheets, the profit and loss account, the ratio analysis. Even for credit officer, I'm going to teach this thing. The financial statement analysis, ये credit officers को भी मैं करवाने वाला हूँ. Don't worry. The working capital management, trade cycle, credit rating, feasibility studies credit officer में नहीं है, लेकिन for the financial analyst it's important. Cash flow statement, cash flow analysis, credit delivery system, documentation, पोस्ट सेंक्शन सुपरविजन कंट्रोल एंड मॉनिटरिंग ऑफ क्रेडिट. ये काफ़ी क्रेडिट ऑफिसर के लिए भी इंपॉर्टेंट है. ठीक है. मूविंग ऑन टू इंटरनेशनल बैंकिंग, फॉरेक्स इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. हाउ एक्सचेंज रेट्स आर डिटरमाइंड. इवन इन द कॉस्ट ऑफ क्रेडिट ऑफिसर इट इज अवेलेबल. डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट कोटेशन, फॉरवर्ड रेट्स, इवन सम न्यूमेरिकल्स आर देयर. डेरिवेटिव, स्वाप्स, ऑप्शंस, forward exchange rate contract, it's there. Documentation and Exim Bank, the role of Exim Bank. We are already covering that in the credit officer course, but it's also there in the syllabus of credit analyst. Risk management, it is not there in the credit officer ka syllabus. So this particular portion is part of only the credit analyst. Okay, especially the topics like duration, okay, sensitivity. These are the topics which are part of the credit analyst syllabus, right? Back testing, stress testing. These are the topics which are part of the credit analyst syllabus. And then the risk reporting, market risk identification, measurement, credit risk rating methodology, eligible collateral for mitigation guarantees, credit rating, transition matrices, credit risk spreads, risk migration, credit metrics, counterparty risk, right? Credit exposures, Basel norms, most importantly, ठीक है. Operational and integrated risk management, very important part for credit analyst post. This part is not relevant for credit officer. Okay, not relevant for credit officer, but very important for credit analyst. Okay, and then the treasury ke concepts, I have already covered that in your financial awareness section. Students, please open the professional knowledge section. You'll find derivatives. It would be there. The topics like CDs, CPs, commercial papers, CDs, IBP, securitization. For these topics, I have prepared separate videos, right? Interest rate risk is there, important. And then instruments in the treasury market, basics of treasury markets, important for credit analyst, but not very important for credit officer. Although derivative is an important topic for credit officer. Okay. Moving forward, the balance sheet management, prudential norms are important for credit analyst, right? And the relationship between GAAP and income statements, right? US GAAP is not really relevant here. Please remember that. Okay. For the general awareness, the syllabus of credit officer and credit analyst is same. The capsule, the monthly GK digest that we release on bankexamstudy.com. is more than sufficient, right? Plus the list that we prepare, the MOUs, the growth numbers of bank, union budget, books in the news, important days, people in news, acquisition mergers, कोई नया product आ गया, international organization, popular marketing campaigns, loan agreements, right? All these are important, plus the capsule that we are working on, and we are going to share that capsule with you. वो हम share कर देंगे, don't worry, ठीक है? All these lists, the joint military exercises, the summits, committees, awards and honors, forecasted GDP, union budget is important. Please remember that. These are the lists that we update every month, and we are going to share that those lists with you. Okay? In the English language, if you are reading a newspaper on a regular basis, then this won't be a tough section for you. Reading comprehensions are there, followed by the para jumbles, vocab, and the synonym antonyms. I don't think that you need to spend much time here. If your reading speed is good enough, just go through the test series, and if you are scoring good marks, then nothing to worry. Okay. And so students, the Bank of India Credit Analyst course is available on bankexamstudy.com, and whatever the topics that I have discussed, we are providing video classes for that. The live session, the complete study material, test series, and the chapter wise test is available in a very systematic manner. If you are an MSc in economics, I guess you are eligible. Okay, you are eligible, no issues. Somebody, Mr. Maven, yeah, complicated name, sorry. You are eligible, Mr. Maven. Okay. Bank of India, in the Bank of India Credit Officer 2020, all these students that took our courses in the past and they cracked their respective exams. I'm really happy for them. We did the Bank of India Credit Officer and Analyst course in 2020, and we did that in 2018. For the PNB, we did the course, right? There is no maths and the reasoning. Don't worry about that. Okay. Bank of Maharashtra Journalist Officer, Marketing 2022, SO Marketing Scale 2, Scale 3 GBO for 2021, 2020, 2019, and for Vijay Bank Credit Officer, Bank of India Credit Officer 2018. We did the course in 2018 as well. All these students in the various Scale 2, Scale 3 level exams, various Specialist Officer level exams, they did their classes with us. And if there is any doubt in your mind, this is my WhatsApp number. You can ask your doubts here. I am available to answer your doubts. And that's actually all for today, students. Thank you and have a very nice day.